Hey guys, this is Michelle and welcome to another video. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share, like, and to leave a comment. Now let's get into the video. Okay, I started off by applying this lightweight moisturizer, allowing it to settle into my skin and hydrate my skin while I'm busy with the eyes. Started working on my eyes. I opted for a simple brown eye look with a pop of shimmer in my inner corners and a medium wing liner to seal the whole look. So the focus was not on the eyes, I just wanted a simple full coverage face. These are all the products that I used for my eyes. I'm gonna put the links in the description box and then you guys will be able to shop them if you like the look, or the eye look rather. So here is the golden rule. Always set your liquids or your paste with powdery or dry formulas. So if you're gonna go in with a pasty eyeshadow, set it with a dry shimmer eyeshadow on top. Don't leave it as it is because it's just gonna smudge and it's gonna be all over the place. Now to move on to the eyes, I'm going to start off by priming using a mattifying primer because we don't want any oil peeking through and messing up that full coverage look. So always opt for a mattifying primer. I went ahead and color corrected using my orange concealer. The step is nothing new. If you've got dark spots on your face or hyperpigmentation, then definitely this is a step you don't want to miss. Set everything using my powder. I just wanted to create a flawless smooth base that I can work with. I went ahead and I applied my highlighting concealer and my contouring concealer before my foundation because these concealers are extremely thick and they dry up quickly, so it gets hard to blend them, and they also cause makeup separation. If any of you guys don't know what makeup separation is, it's basically when one product separates the other product off your skin, leaving a patchy spot. And because these concealers are very thick and they dry up quickly, they tend to cause makeup separation. I've used them before, and that's why I went in and I used them before I used my foundation. This step is optional. If you know how to work with quick drying products, then good for you, but this is just how I go about it. I broke another brush, guys. Moral of the story: if something is broken, don't throw it away, fix it. See, I fixed it and now I'm using it again. And so yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that everything is blended properly and where it needs to be. I went in with my Maybelline Active Wear foundation. It looks yellow on camera, but it's actually not. It's just because the artificial light, obviously I had a massive ring light in front of my face, so it makes everything look lighter than it actually is. And also here is a little tip: Whenever you're buying your foundations, guys, don't test them under those bright lights on the makeup section, and stop swatching them on your wrists or your hands. Swatch them on your jawline instead, because the light doesn't hit that area, and that is how you will get your perfect match. So yeah. Just to define certain areas, I went in again with the highlighters, and this time around I allowed the LA Girl highlighter to sit on my face for a while before applying this one, and I literally just went in and I started blending before it dried out. And when you're working with extremely heavy or pasty or thick products, try to be as light-handed as possible so that you don't pick anything up, and you make sure that you spread everything out evenly. And yeah, just check your blends, check if there aren't any harsh lines, and just blend them out, and you're good to go. Like I said, guys, the golden rule, you set your liquids with powder. I went in this Micolor palette. I recently bought this and I was trying it out. I was quite impressed with how good the formula was, and the pigment was just out of this world. Guys, I couldn't believe my eyes. Like, it was good. It was so good. The blurring effect was amazing. This palette is one for the books. If you're a makeup artist, or you're aspiring to be one, or you're just learning how to get your makeup done, definitely get this palette. I got this palette from a store on Takealot called the Tulip Store. They do sell highlighters and brushes and all that other stuff, so you can get it on there. When I bought it, it was on promotion for 400 rands. So yeah, I think it was 400 rands. I'm not sure, but just get yourself this palette. I went in with my blush. This is the L'Oreal Golden, I think it's Golden Hour, I'm not sure, I'll just list it in the description box. It's very gorgeous. To set everything, I went in with my Maybelline Lasting Fix spray. And I also got highlighters from Micolor. Very impressed with this brand. This highlighter literally melted into my skin. I was quite impressed. To prep my eyes for my lashes, I used my lash curler and my mascara, and I applied my lashes off camera. I forgot the style, but these are definitely from Kiss. For my lips, I used my lip liner and Chestnut, and then I diffused that using the Cork lip liner. I went in with this lipstick from MAC. This is the Kiss or Powder Kiss lipstick. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I'll just list everything in the description box. And I ended up topping it with this lip gloss from MAC and Spiked. And yes, guys, that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look at that full coverage. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.